Alright, hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. For me, this is a really simple look. I hope you guys, I don't know, think so as well. It was easy for me to do. I've used, oh lord, here I go, 3 palettes. But let me tell you why I use 3 palettes. I love the colors in this one. This is the Magic palette, I think. The Magic palette, and these are all from ColourPop. So I use the, excuse me, 1, 2, 3, I think 4 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors and stuff, something like that. And for the Cute AF palette, I use this color only. And for the Golden State of Mind palette, I use this color and I believe this one over here. So I use those 2. Yeah, but apart from me using 3 palettes to accomplish this look, you can easily use just 1 palette. You can just switch your colors as you want. I want you to do this look just to keep it a little bit simple. I do a lot of dramatic colors here on my channel, and in the next coming weeks, I'll be receiving my crayon case palette and blush palette, eyeshadow palette and blush palette, and girl, the looks are gonna be endless. I'm going to go all out, honey. I'm just gonna go pop 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 pop. Alright, so that's it for this intro. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and if you do like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment and I'll respond to you guys as soon as I can. It's a lot. It's a lot. Doing YouTube and having a life, it's a lot. By the way, y'all like my hair? This hair is 4 or 3 years old. 4 or 3 years old. It is from It Just a Lot. Remember this hair? It Just a Lot. I know I did it short. Yeah. So that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Alright, so I'm using my ColourPop All I See Is Magic palette, and I'm going to be taking this color as a transitional color. It's like a nice little burnt orange, and that's going to go into my crease right below my brow bone. So after that, I will be, no, not after that. Oh yeah, after that, I'll be taking this color from the palette as well, and this color will be going on my brow bone. No, I normally apply color on my brow bone before I move on, but this day I did it backwards, so I don't know, honey. So this color is now going on my brow bone. Then going back into the palette, I'll be taking this darkish brown, this warm brown, to go into my crease as well. For me, this look, as I said before, it's a really minimalistic look, but I used 3 different palettes to achieve this minimalistic look, and I'm sorry about that. You know, I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I just want to, at the time of this voiceover, I filmed 3 videos for you guys today, 2 of which are hair videos, because I was saying in the video before this, the one where the Sasha Cosmetics X Kiba, in that video I was telling guys that I was backed up on videos, and then because I left for almost 2 weeks, like when I got my package, and you guys can see my little haul on my vlog channel, my Lyric Uncut vlog channel. But I had a lot to come back to, so I just hit the ground running. So, and I'm pretty grateful for that. So it would mean the world to me, you know, a world of good. But it would mean the world to me if you just comment in the comment section videos that you'd like to see from me, and I will definitely go ahead and make that happen. Anything that's trending now that you want me to do, want me to attempt, just let me know what you guys would love to see, and I would definitely get that done for you guys. As it stands now, this video is very rudimentary, very self-explanatory. Just so you guys know, the foundation that I will be using is my Sasha Cosmetics foundation in Perfect Spice. It's a little light for me, but in a week from now it will be hella light for me. So I just said, as I said in the other video, I just went hard on my low lighting to compensate. And to low light, I'm using Fenty Beauty Espresso, her matchstick, and to highlight, I'm using Suede from the matchstick as well. And to do my glow, or for my strobing, I used the shimmer stick in Cinnamon. So you guys will say, oh, and to set my highlighted areas, I use my Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup and my Sasha Cosmetics Perfect Spice powder to set everywhere else, and my Sasha Cosmetics Mahogany, I believe, Mocha to do my low light. So that's basically it. And for the lips, I wore Leading Lady again from Sasha Cosmetics. Huge thank you for Sasha Cosmetics for working with me again. Please go ahead and show me support. That's Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica, not just Sasha Cosmetics alone. Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica. So huge thank you to them for working with me. And just doing this voiceover, I seem very detached. I don't know, because Jonathan is right here. He's trying his best to be quiet, because I threaten if he's not quiet, I'm going to be a mother. So I don't know. I feel like it's a bit distracted doing this voiceover, but I'm back and I'm trying my best to, get into the swing of things. Because for a while there, I did not want to come back to YouTube. For a while there, I was just completely annoyed with everything. I mean, this new algorithm, you guys, I am feeling it, man. My videos aren't being seen. I'm not getting the views I would normally get. Is that I'm feeling, which is why I'm like, okay guys, what do you want to see? What do you want to see? What do you want to see? Because it makes no sense. I mean, I'd love to do what I want to do. I just put up videos how I used to back in the day, videos of what I want to do, and you guys will still watch them. No, it has completely changed, so I have to ask you guys, what do you want to see? Let me know. Let me know. Anyway, so that's it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and please click the notification bell. If you do not click that notification bell, my videos will not, or my newest videos will not come up in your subscription feed. So please go ahead and click, and go ahead and watch more of my videos. You know what I mean? Like, help a girl out, you know what I'm saying? But you know how it is, But anyway, that's it for this voiceover, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Mommy.
Yes.
Play the running game on my phone.
Yeah, the running game can play on your phone.
And then the running game don't have one on this phone?
No, it's only on my phone. You want my phone to play it?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to wait a little bit, okay?
Yeah.
I love you.
I love it. Ow.
Wow, your finger.
No, it's like ants.
Ants?
Yeah.
Jonathan, I'm sure there's no ants on your hand.
God bless. I'm your boy DJ. I'm going to say that one out straight out of stream out of studio. Don't know the thing go. I'm going to say slowly but surely. Lord will come surely. You don't know the thing go. I can't tell them something then. Slowly but surely. Right, I know what me feel for. I no reefer. Scripture what they on the leaf, I make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza off of the streeter. Now the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, cause me no preacher. Me no follow back a neither, cause me a leader. You know enough for me can Libra. You a Libra, surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord, him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord, him a show me tell them. Them a wonder how me reach up at the peak. Stepping at the face a reaper. With my sneaker me bun devil like a Easter. With a eater me hotter than a proper fever. Me no freezer when me go down on them knees.